Hey friends, I have already explained almost all the tools of quality in my previous videos. Only scatter diagram is left, and in that series this is my second last video where I will be taking you through to Pareto chart, how it has to be created, how do we interpret it, what are the uses and why it is important, why it is so important for managers, project management professional, PMP aspirants to understand and know the Pareto chart. I try to explain it in a very easy manner, so therefore the length of the video is little longer. So please bear with me and watch it till end. So guys, when we talk about Pareto chart, so what is Pareto chart? Pareto chart is a statistical technique which is used for decision making and help us to focus on the problems which can give really expected and high yielding results. This is also called 80-20 rule, and why it is called 80-20 rule I'll be telling you just now. And the idea behind doing 80-20 means 20% of the work you generate, 80% of benefit of doing that job. So you can apply this particular principle 80-20 anywhere, everywhere. So 80% of the problems you can eliminate by doing 20% of the task. So this is that kind of analysis which you can really analyze and take decisions. This was named after Italian economist Wilfredo Pareto. So this is Pareto chart. Sometimes we call it 80-20 chart as well. Some people they call it. So what are the uses? Guys, we apply 80-20 rule in almost anything. For example, these are some of the example. 80% of customer complaints arise from 20% of your product and services. So if you are able to fix these 20% of your product and services, your 80% of the complaints will be finished. So 80% of delays in schedule result from 20% of the causes of the delay. 20% of your products and services account for 80% of your profit, and 80% of your profit, 80% of your revenue comes from 20% of your sales or from customer. So these are some of the principles. Now let us see what are the steps to create a Pareto chart. There are 8 steps. If you read it, it is difficult for you to understand. Let me take you to live example how it has to be created. Very easy. I am not going to take 8 steps. It is very easy in latest Excel, Microsoft Excel software. So show you how it is created. So I have created a data for you. So just give me, this is the data I have created. So for example, I created some issues in hotel industry. In some hotel, they analyzed the data for 6 months and they found out these are the issues: that registration delay has 92, room service 86, and blah 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 blah. Now to eliminate so many complaints, they have 500, they have 283 complaints. To eliminate these 283 complaints, what 20% parameter or issues they can focus on to, I mean their 80% of the complaint is forego. So guys, just to do that, let us do analysis of Pareto chart. Based on Pareto, how to create a Pareto chart. Very simple, very simple. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to show you how it is easy in our more modern Excel software. You can click anywhere, or if you want you can select the data, for example up to here, issues and count. Go to insert, go to this is statistical, this is bar where you have two color, multicolor. This is statistical. Just click here and select the Pareto. You can see you have the Pareto. To change maybe chart title, you can write Pareto diagram. You can also show your axis here. You can also show your axis here, but how? Very simple. I told in my previous, you can just select axis titles. It is available. Okay. You can also select data labels. It is available. You can select data label on both the values if you want. It is available. But axis title, counts, and apologies, and this is cumulative percentage. Now, and these are the issues. So you can see you have issues and you have this value as well, Pareto line. This we call it Pareto line. You can format, you can do different color you want, or I mean that depends on you what you want, how you want to do that. Okay. So guys, now how do you interpret this Pareto diagram? How do you interpret my shapes? And let me take a box and I'll start from here and I'll go right where it is actually intersecting. Tack. And let me just put it shape and no fill. Okay. So guys, this is the, let me do some filling for you, some gradient. So this is the area which you don't need to target immediately, but the left side area you need to target immediately. This is very important. If you can strike on registration delays, room service and security service, you can eliminate your 80% of the problem and you will left only with the 20% of problems. This is the power of Pareto diagram and how should you interpret it. It is too easy to design a Pareto diagram. So guys, this is Pareto chart. I'm sure you must have enjoyed it. If you have any question or query, please drop me in comment box. I'll try to resolve, or I'll try to reply as early as possible. Thank you very much. Subscribe my channel and stay connected. I will be going through the detailed project management understanding. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.